Upon receive of the remote control, put in the battery and then press set and hold. These three code will start to blink. Press one more time set, it will start to scan. Make sure the aircon is off. I know that my code is about 500 something, so in order to do faster, I press up and hold. Press up and hold. Pay attention, once you heard the aircon beep, the aircon will start. Okay, now about close to 500. Give it a little bit more. Okay, now I start to press set again. Okay, beep beep already. Do you hear that? Many times. Okay, so the aircon already started. It must be somewhere about that range. So I go down. Okay, now I heard it beep again. I confirm okay, and then I try to on off. See, it works. Okay, so the remote control is ready to use.